Understanding Drone Collision, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, drone collision. This is a term that you might encounter in news articles or technology discussions. Let's break it down together to understand its meaning and usage. Before we delve into the meaning of drone collision, let's understand what a drone is. A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is a type of aircraft without a human pilot on board. Drones are controlled remotely by a human operator or autonomously by onboard computers. They are used for various purposes, including photography, surveillance, and delivery services. Now, let's look at the word collision. A collision is an event where two or more objects hit each other. This term is often used in the context of vehicles, like cars, planes, and yes, drones. When these objects crash into each other, we call it a collision. Combining the two concepts, a drone collision refers to an incident where a drone crashes into another object. This could be another drone, a bird, an airplane, or any obstacle like a building. Drone collisions can be serious, especially if they occur in crowded or sensitive areas, and they highlight the importance of safe drone operation. Understanding the term drone collision is important because drones are becoming increasingly common. With more drones in the sky, the risk of collisions rises. This topic is often discussed in relation to air safety regulations, drone flying rules, and the technological advancements in drone navigation systems to prevent such accidents. We hope this video helped clarify the meaning of drone collision for you. Remember, as drones become more prevalent, it's important to be aware of terms related to their use and regulation. Stay tuned for more English learning videos, and thank you for watching.